Can you put the silverware away for mommy? Good girl. Go get some more. Sissy, go get some more silverware. Thank you. Can you put it in the drawer? Thank you. Karen, leave it open for Mackenzie. Can you put the silverware away, please? Thank you, Karen. Good girl! Smart girl! Mackenzie, can you put them away? Baby girl, can you look at, Mama help you with the drawer. There we go. You almost done? How much do you have left? Oh, you just have one spoon left. Can you get it? Okay. Come on, we have one baby spoon. Mackenzie. Mackenzie, can you help Mommy put the spoon away, please? Oh, you want to do a plate too? Okay. Okay, let's put the spoon away. Mackenzie, the spoon goes right here. Put the spoon in there. Okay, and then look at you dropped one. We dropped one right here. Can anyone get that one for Mommy? Last one. Put it in there. Oh, okay, close the drawer. You gotta push it closed. Push it. Okay, give Sissy high five. Go give Sissy high five. Mackenzie, give your brother a high five. I know it's water. Mackenzie, give brother a high five. You babies did a great job. Mackenzie, give brother a high five. Mackenzie. Mackenzie. Here, we're done. We're all done. It's okay. Watch, help. Mama's gonna close it. Okay, give Sissy a high five. Mackenzie, go give brother a high five. You babies did awesome. Give brother a high five. Kiernan, give Sissy a high five. Kiernan, give Mackenzie. Oh. Sissy, brother, high five. They're ready. There we go. Yay, big hug. Big hug. Say good work. We did it. Yay.